Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to recover previous versions of a Word document on a PC that is not connected to any cloud service or any SharePoint service like Microsoft OneDrive or Microsoft SharePoint. And then I'll show you how to do the same on a computer that is connected to a OneDrive or SharePoint service. So I'll start off with this computer which is not connected to any of those cloud services. So to recover a previous version of a document, you want to open the document and then click on the file button and then go ahead and click on open. Once that opens, down there or down here you will see the recover unsaved documents. Click on that and then you should have a pop-up window open on your screen on top of the Word application with that path, the updater roaming Microsoft Word path. So go ahead and then open any of these documents, these auto recover documents, to see which one is the previous version of the document you are looking for. So you can open that, you can open this, you can go back and then open these two also to see which one of those files is the previous version of the document you want to recover. You can try any of them and then one of them should be that previous version of the file you are looking for. So that is that for a PC that is not connected to a cloud service like OneDrive or Microsoft SharePoint. So let's now turn attention on to a PC that is connected to the cloud services. So on another PC, we have this particular document on OneDrive. You can clearly see that it's on OneDrive, and then when we check here also, it says OneDrive. So this particular document is on OneDrive and then SharePoint. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and then open it. And then once it opens, it says last modified was 3 minutes ago. I'll try to make some changes to this document. So I'll push this to the very middle. Just want to make some changes to test. I'm going to bold this. So let's say after making these changes, I realized that no, this is not good enough. So let me go ahead and then save it. So I just saved the document. So I just realized that these changes I made is not necessary. Let me go back to the way it was previously. So usually this happens. You want to recover your documents when you make a mistake or when you share or collaborate with somebody else on the same document and the person makes a mistake and you want to go back to a previous version that you thought or you think was the correct version. So after making these changes, I want to go back to the original state or to a previous state of the same Word document. Um, this is what you need to do. So the first thing I will do is to click over here. You see the name of the document, and then beside it you will either see saved or unsaved. Go ahead and then click the arrow down beside the saved. Then once that opens, you want to select version history. Then after selecting version history, you will see all the versions of the same file on the right. As you can see, we have version history, and then you have the versions of the same file under the version history with the dates. So originally the file was created on the 3rd of May 2024. I made changes today at 7:16 p.m. and I just made changes at 7:20. So I could go back to this very version of the file. I can also go back to this version of the file. But guys, this is just a tutorial I'm doing. So the file versions are not many, but in a situation where the file is an old file or where the file is a huge file, where um, so many people collaborate on the same file, so many people have access to the same file, can edit the same file, you will have plenty versions of the same file listed over here. So all you have to do is to click or select any of the versions to view it. So what I will do now is I'm going to click on the this version of this file and then to go back to that date of that file to view it. So I'll select that file, and then once you select the version you want to view, go ahead and then click on this option right here which says restore, to restore you back to that version of the file. So we can see that the file has been restored to that version. All the changes I made to the file have been reverted to that version. So guys, kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos. Click on the like button if this was helpful. Share this video and then I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.